back to Grace by God. One song, one truth. Today we're looking at Psalm 35. The toto pa'i o lota to ali'i, na fa'amalingi ia tātou olai. The blood of our Lord that was shed so that we may live. Let's take a listen to the tune. Le toto paia o lo tato wali na fa'amalingi ia tatou olai. Le tongi o la lea e mangaloai, o e tatou atoa ia sao i lunga. Le tongi o la le mangaloai, o e tatou atoa ia sao i lunga, ia sao i lunga, ia sao i lunga. The truth this song talks about is what we call Jesus' substitutionary atonement. Paul talks about it in the book of Romans and Corinthians. But some 750 years before Paul, the prophet Isaiah predicted it. So in Isaiah chapter 53, we read, He, that is Jesus Christ, was pierced for our transgressions. He was crushed for our iniquities. Upon him was the chastisement that brought us peace, and with his wounds we are healed. You notice a verse is written in the past tense, and that makes perfect sense, because the Bible teaches that God chose us, or elected us, or predestined us before the foundation of the world. And we read that in Ephesians chapter 1 verse 4. For he, that is God, chose us in him before the creation of the world, to be holy and blameless. In love, he predestined us for adoption as his sons through Jesus Christ, according to his good pleasure. So in love, God chose us or elected us. And when we go to Ephesians chapter 2 verse 8, we read, For it is by grace you have been saved, through faith, and this is not from yourselves, it is a gift of God. So that's a beautiful truth on this song. In love, God predestined us. By his grace, he saved us through the precious blood of his Son, Jesus Christ. There is absolutely nothing we can do to buy or earn or even merit salvation. It is a gift of God. So until the next song, may God keep you and make his face to shine upon you. Take care and God bless.